right, so I just received this. And what it is, it's a way of attaching this to a front door without having to drill into the door. And it just kind of clamps on. So let's take a look and see what we got in here. Here's all the pieces. This is what it looks like here. It's called an anti-theft doorbell mount from Blink Video Doorbell, or for Blink. This isn't made by Blink. This is for the Blinks. All right, so anyway, that's what I got. I want to put it on a door, so we're going to try it out. All right, so first of all, we got to get it out of this thing. All right, so let's go ahead and open that. Look at all the screws and stuff that come out of it. All right, so what's this? Oh, more screws. All right, we don't want to lose the screws, so I think I'm going to stick all the screws in here. All right, and it came with 4 extra screws there, I do believe. Oh, there's no limit, I'm sorry, 5. All right, so first things first, we've got to find this big hole. This is going to go through it like this. So you're going to go righty-tighty, get her through. And once it's through there, then you're going to grab this doohickey here, and on the back it's got where it screws into. And this is the thing that's going to smush against the door. So you go ahead and just screw it in there like that. Bam. Now when you want to screw it in to the door, you just go like that. And it puts pressure against the door, right? So that's how that works. Let's make sure we got it in there good. All right, so next you've got to figure out which way you're going to put it on the door. Because you want this part of this facing down, okay? And this is going to slide into this. You follow me? You follow me like that? So if I want this to be the bottom, if I want that to be the bottom here, because this has got this little catch that goes on there like that, and so it would set like this. You follow me? So we've got to do it with this forward, and then we're just going to set that down, and we got to get our screws in there. So we're going to use these smaller ones here. Just set them in there like that. You just got to figure out which side of the door you're going to be putting this on, because you got to have that one area facing down. You follow me? So that one's in. So this has got to be on the low side, right? And then this one go in here. And one in the middle. So we got 3 here, right? Now the question is, do we have enough room on this thing? We'll find out when we get it there. So now we got it on there, and so it's going to set on the door like this, and your faceplate for your blink will be here, and then you just tighten her down, and that's pretty much it. And then this at the end, you'll screw it in here like that. You follow me? Let me show you. It slides right in there like that. That's it. We could do it right now if you want. All we got to do is just put the screw in there. I think we can do it right now. We'll find out. Did I use the big one? I hope not. I think I used the small one. Yeah, those are the 2 big ones that I need for the plate. All right, so that's all set up and ready to go. And then your bling would just sit on there, all right? Your blink. All right, let's try it on a door. So in theory, what this would do is go on the door kind of like this, and then you just got to tighten her down. Trying to do this and film at the same time. Let's see if it shuts. No, it doesn't really shut, does it? But I can tighten it down at least, and you guys can see. Oh, there we go. Let's see if we can open it. Yeah, that's what we want. It's going to be like that. That should work, huh? So this way they can't really steal it. And then bam, Bob's your uncle. So that's how it works right there. Get it off, you just go the opposite way. That's the tighter way. There we go. I think we're loose now, we can come right off. All right, so that's that. That's how that's gonna work. So we're gonna go try that and see what we think. All right, so anyway, here's our blink, right? It's got a plate that goes on the back here. And this is our plate. So the plate we've got to put on here, which it would go like this. This is gonna be the upside. Because when it's outside, it'll be like this. So we need to put one little screw in there, and that's it. Slide it on here, and that should be pretty good. You want it about shoulder height. So then we're going to come here, we're going to tighten her down, just like that. That looks pretty good. Now let's go outside and see if it works. So this is catching right on that. So that won't work, will it? All right, so we're gonna have to screw it into the door.